Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: close it and reopen it. You can see appears on the screen. For this, you have to go to here, tap on receiving off, wait for 10 to 20 seconds, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you start your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on the screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on the screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for few seconds and turn your device back on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting. You can see appears on screen. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. How to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.